In the bottom right corner, ensure the unit is set to mmgs, millimeter, gram, second. In the Property Manager, select the front plane. From the Context toolbar, click Sketch. In the Sketch tab, expand the Line Tool list and select Midpoint Line. Click the origin to start. Move the cursor horizontally and click again to set the line. Press Escape to exit the command. Click the horizontal line we just drew. In the Context toolbar, click Construction Geometry. Activate Smart Dimension. Click the construction line, move the cursor downward and place the dimension. Enter 215 millimeters as the line length and press Enter. Activate the line command. Click the left endpoint of the construction line to start. Move the cursor upward. Press A to switch to an arc. Move right to draw the arc and click to confirm. Continue upward. It switches back to line. Press A again to switch to arc, then move the cursor right and click to confirm the second arc. Next, move the cursor horizontally to the right and click to place a straight line. Then, move the cursor to the right. Press A to switch to arc mode. Move the cursor upward to shape the arc and click to confirm. Continue by moving to the right again. Press A, move the cursor downward to create the next arc and click to confirm. Next, move the cursor to create an angled line, then click to place the point. Press Escape key to exit the command. To check sketch relations, go to Hide Show Items and turn on View Sketch Relations. Green squares will appear, indicating the existing sketch relations. Ensure all points between arcs and lines display tangent relations. If any are missing, simply click the point, then select Make Tangent from the Context toolbar. Now, activate the Smart Dimension command. On the left side, click the first arc, move the cursor to position the dimension, then click again to place it. Type 30 millimeters as the radius, and press Enter. Next, click the second arc, move the cursor, and click again to place the dimension. Enter 12 millimeters as the radius, then press Enter. Click the left endpoint of the horizontal construction line, then click the left endpoint of the horizontal line. Move the cursor upward, click again to place the dimension, then type 13 millimeters and press Enter. Click the horizontal line, then the horizontal construction line. Click again to place the dimension. Oops! A notice message appears. Just click OK to close it. It looks like there's a coincident relation between the center point of the arc and the horizontal construction line. We'll need to remove that relation before adding the dimension. Press Escape to exit the Smart Dimension command. Then, right-click the coincident relation and select Delete. Next, right-click the previously placed dimension and select Delete as well. Now, activate the Smart Dimension command again. Click the horizontal line, then the horizontal construction line. Click, then type 17.5 millimeters and press Enter. Click the right endpoint of the horizontal line, then the origin. Move the cursor upward. Click again to place the dimension. Type 20 millimeters and press Enter. Next, click the arc. Place the dimension. Type 950 millimeters, then press Enter. Now, click the arc beside it. Place the dimension. Type 34 millimeters and press Enter. Click the horizontal construction line, then the angled line. Place the angular dimension. Type 15 degrees and press Enter. At this time, the angled line extends to the right, going beyond the horizontal construction line. We need to adjust its position by shifting it slightly to the left. Press Escape to exit the command. Then, click and drag the points to the left. Now let's connect the angled line to the arc. Activate the 3-point arc command. Click the right endpoint of the angled line, then the right endpoint of the horizontal construction line. Move the cursor to shape the arc, then click again to confirm. Press Escape to exit the command. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the arc we just created. Move the cursor to position the dimension, then click again to place it. Type 50 millimeters and press Enter. Click the center arc. Hold down the Control key, then click the horizontal construction line. When the Context toolbar appears, select Make Coincident. Now, activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the top endpoint of the arc, then the bottom endpoint. Move the cursor to the right. Click to place the dimension. Type 15 millimeters and press Enter. All right. The sketch is now fully defined. In the Sketch tab, click Mirror Entities. Move the cursor to the right side, then click and drag to the left to select the entities to mirror. If any entities are missed, simply click them to add them to the selection. Make sure the copy box is checked. Then, under Mirror About, select the horizontal construction line. Click OK to confirm. Now, the sketch is underdefined because some entities were missed. We need to add a few constraints again to make it fully defined. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the horizontal construction line. Move the cursor downward, then click again to place the dimension, and press Enter. Click the top endpoint of the arc, then the bottom endpoint. Move the cursor to the right. Click to place the dimension, and press Enter. If we're not sure what's still missing, we can click and drag the blue entities to find out. But first, press the Escape key to exit the current command. Now, click and drag the blue entities. We'll notice the arc on the right side doesn't have a relation applied. To fix this, click the arc, hold down the Control key, then click the right endpoint of the horizontal construction line. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Midpoint. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base. Under Direction 1, set the end condition to midplane. Then, set the extrusion depth to 27.5 millimeters. Click OK to complete the operation. Next, in the Feature Manager, select the top plane, then click Sketch. Activate the Corner Rectangle command. Draw a rectangle by clicking the bottom left corner, then move the cursor to the top right corner and click again to confirm. Activate the Line command. Click the midpoint of the left vertical line, then move the cursor horizontally and click again to confirm the line. Next, move the cursor to the right, then press the A key to switch to arc mode. Move the cursor downward and click on the horizontal line to confirm the arc. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the horizontal line, move the cursor downward, then type 63 millimeters and press Enter. Next, click the left point of the arc, then click the right vertical line. Move the cursor down. Type 49 millimeters and press Enter. Activate the 3-point arc command. Start by clicking on the top horizontal line. Move the cursor to the right and click again to define the second point. Then, move the cursor to shape the arc and click one more time to confirm the arc. Activate the Line command. Click the right endpoint of the arc we just created. Move the cursor to the right. Then press the A key to switch to arc mode and click again to confirm the arc. Continue by moving the cursor to the right. Press the A key again, move the cursor down, and click to confirm the next arc. Press the Escape key to exit the command. Now, let's add a tangent relation to each arc. Click the top horizontal line, hold down the Control key, and click the arc. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Tangent. Next, click the right vertical line, hold down the Control key, and click the right arc. Again, choose Make Tangent from the context toolbar. If the position of an arc changes, simply click and drag the point to adjust it back into place. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the right arc endpoint and the bottom horizontal line. Move the cursor to the right. Click again to place the dimension. Type 17 millimeters and press Enter. Next, click the arc above it. Move the cursor. Click again to place the dimension. Type 6 millimeters as the radius and press Enter. Then, click the arc beside it. Move the cursor. Click again to place the dimension. Type 300 millimeters as the radius and press Enter. If the dimension placement doesn't fit well, drag the dimension arrow. Click Zoom to fit. Adjust the dimension value's position and click Zoom to fit again. Now, click the last arc. Move the cursor. Click again to place the dimension. Type 830 millimeters as the radius and press Enter. And adjust the view. Click the left endpoint of the arc, then the left vertical line. Move the cursor upward. Click again to place the dimension. Type 60 millimeters and press Enter. Next, select Zoom to Area, then click and drag on the right side of the model to zoom in. Activate the 3-point arc command. Click on the right vertical line, then click the bottom horizontal line, and finally, click once more in the middle of the arc to confirm its shape. Press the Escape key to exit the command. Now, let's add tangent relations to the arc. Click the vertical line, hold down Control key, and click the arc. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Tangent. Then, click the horizontal line, hold down Control key, and click the arc, and again select Make Tangent from the context toolbar. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the arc, move the cursor to position the dimension, then click again to place it. Type 6 millimeters as the radius and press Enter. Now, click Zoom to fit to view the entire sketch and adjust the view. All right, we can see that the sketch is now fully defined. Now, go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. In the Property Manager, the selected contours box is highlighted. This allows us to choose specific regions from the sketch to cut. Let's adjust the view first. Go to View, Orientation, select Top View, and zoom in for better visibility. Click the bottom region, then click the top region. Zoom in to the right side, and click the bottom right corner region. Now, go back to View Orientation, open the drop-down, and select Isometric View to see the preview clearly. In the Direction 1 tab, open the End Condition drop-down and choose Through All, both. Click OK to complete the operation. In the Feature Manager, select the front plane, then click Sketch. Activate the Circle command. Draw 2 circles, one on the left side and another on the right side. Press the Escape key to exit the command. Next, click the center point of the right circle, hold down the Control key, click the origin, then click the center point of the left circle. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Horizontal. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the left circle, move the cursor to the left, then click again to place the dimension. Type 15 millimeters as the diameter and press Enter. Next, click the right circle, move the cursor to the right, click again to place the dimension. Type 24 millimeters as the diameter and press Enter. Now, click the left circle, then click the origin. Move the cursor downward. Click to place the dimension. Type 91 millimeters and press Enter. Then, click the right circle, and again, click the origin. Move the cursor downward. Click to place the dimension. Type 80.5 millimeters and press Enter. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. In the Direction 1 tab, open the End Condition drop-down and choose Through All, both. Click OK to complete the operation. Click the front face of Boss Extrude 1, then click Sketch to start a new sketch on that face. Next, select Zoom to Area. Click and drag to zoom in on the right side of the model. Click the edge of the circle, then go to the Sketch tab and select Convert Entities to create a reference. Now, activate the Circle command. Draw a new circle by clicking on the center point of the circle we just converted. Move the cursor outward and click again to confirm the first circle. Repeat the process. Click again on the center point. Move the cursor outward and click to confirm the second circle. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the outer circle, move the cursor to the right, then click again to place the dimension. Type 34 millimeters and press Enter. Next, click the middle circle, move the cursor to the right. Click again to place the dimension. Type 27.5 millimeters and press Enter. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base. Use Zoom to Area. Click and drag to zoom in on the sketch so you can see the preview clearly. In the Property Manager, the Selected Contours field is highlighted. Click to select the region between the outer circle and the middle circle. In the Direction 1 tab, keep Blind as the end condition. Set the depth of extrusion to 0.6 millimeters and make sure Merge Result is checked. Click OK to complete the operation. Click the edge of the circle from Boss Extrude 2. When the Context toolbar appears, select Chamfer. In the Property Manager, keep Angle Distance as the chamfer type. Set the distance to 0.6 millimeters and keep the angle at 45 degrees. Click OK to complete the operation. Click the front face of Boss Extrude 1, then click Sketch to begin a new sketch. Next, select Zoom to Area, then click and drag to zoom in on the right side of the model. Activate the Centerline command. Move the cursor over the edge of the circle. Click the center point to start the line. Then move the cursor to the left quadrant of the circle and click again. Double-click to stop that centerline segment without exiting the command. Now, click the center of the circle again, move the cursor to the top quadrant and click again. Double-click to stop that segment. Once more, click the center point, move the cursor to the left, forming an angled centerline and click again. Now, activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the horizontal center line and the angle center line. Then click again to place the dimension. Type 5 degrees and press Enter. Press Escape to exit the command. Click the edge of the circle, then select Convert Entities to create a circle. Next, select Offset Entities. Click the converted circle, Set the offset distance to 0.5 millimeters and check the reverse box. Click OK to confirm. Zoom in to the left area of the sketch. Activate the Line command. Click the endpoint of the angled centerline to start. Move the cursor up, then press the A key to switch to an arc. Move the cursor to the right and click again to confirm the arc. Now move the cursor to the right, press A to switch back to an arc. Move the cursor up and click on the inner circle. Continue moving up vertically and click to confirm the line segment. Next, move the cursor up. Press A to switch to an arc. Move the cursor to the left and click again to confirm the arc. Then, move the cursor slightly, press A one more time, move the cursor up, and click on the outer circle to finish. Press Escape to exit the command. Right-click on the vertical line and choose Delete from the menu. Make sure that each arc has a tangent relation. If any are missing, let's add them. Click the first arc. Hold down the Control key, then click the outer circle. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Tangent. Next, click the second arc. Hold down Control. Then click the inner circle, and from the context toolbar, select Make Tangent again. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the first arc, move the cursor, and click again to place the dimension. Type 0.5 millimeters as the radius, then press Enter. Click the second arc, move the cursor, and click again to place the dimension. Type 0.2 millimeters as the radius, and press Enter. Press Escape to exit the command. Next, click the point of the third arc, hold down the Control key, and click the inner circle. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Coincident. Click the third arc, hold down the Control, and click the inner circle again. Select Make Tangent. Then, click the fourth arc, hold down Control, and click the outer circle. Select Make Tangent. Next, click the third arc, hold Control, and click the second arc. From the context toolbar, select Make Equal. Finally, click the fourth arc, hold Control, and click the first arc. Select Make Equal. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the point of the third arc, then click the point of the second arc. Move the cursor to the right, right-click to lock the direction, and click again to place the dimension. Type 0.5 millimeters, then press Enter. All right. Activate the Trim Entities command. Trim away the unnecessary lines, leaving only the contour profile we've created. In the Sketch tab, open the drop-down for Sketch Pattern tools and select Circular Sketch Pattern. In the Property Manager, click the Entities to Pattern field, then select the contour. Next, under Parameters, click the Direction field, pan the Graphics area, and select the center point of the circle edge as the pattern center. Zoom out to view the full circle. Set the number of instances to 38, then press Enter. Click OK to complete the operation. If a notice appears, simply click Yes to hide the sketch relation. Now, we will delete the left and right contours. Start with the right contour. Click and drag a selection box from right to left, covering the entire right contour. Then, press the Delete key on our keyboard. If any entities are left behind, simply right-click on it and choose Delete. Repeat the same process for the left contour, and press Delete. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base. Adjust the view so we can clearly see the preview. In the From section, open the Start Condition drop-down and select Offset. Set the offset value to 7.25 millimeters. Then click Reverse Direction. In the Direction 1 section, keep Blind as the end condition. Click Reverse Direction and set the depth to 13 millimeters. Make sure Merge Result is checked. Click OK to complete the operation. Rotate the view to see the result. Go to View Orientation and select Dimetric View to see the entire model. Rotate the model and zoom in. Click the back face of Boss Extrude 3 and select Sketch. Then, zoom in to the left area. Click the circle edge and select Convert Entities. Next, select Offset Entities. Click the circle we just converted. Set the offset distance to 0.5 millimeters and click OK to confirm. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. Zoom out a little bit. In the Direction 1 tab, click Reverse Direction. Open the End Condition drop-down list and select Through All. Click OK to complete the operation. Click the back face of Boss Extrude 3, then select Sketch. Zoom in to the left area. Click the circle edge of Cut Extrude 3, then select Convert Entities. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. In the Direction 1 tab, click Reverse Direction. Click Draft to turn it on. Set the draft angle to 45 degrees and check Draft Outward. Click OK to complete the operation. In the Feature Manager, click Front Plane and select Sketch. Zoom in to the right area. Activate the Corner Rectangle command. Zoom in closer. Start drawing by clicking the Arc Edge point. Move the cursor to the bottom right and click again to confirm the rectangle. Press Escape to exit the command. Click the right vertical line of the rectangle. Hold down the Control key and click this vertex. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Midpoint. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. Adjust the view so we can clearly see the preview. In the Direction 1 tab, open the End Condition drop-down and select Through All, both. Click OK to complete the operation. I'll rotate the model to see the cut result we just created. Next, I'll go to View Orientation and select Dimetric View to see the entire model. In the Feature Manager, select Top Plane and click Sketch. Zoom in to the right area of the model. Activate the Circle command. Draw 2 circles. Click once at the top location. Move the cursor outward, then click again to confirm the first circle. Click again at the bottom location. Move the cursor outward, then click again to confirm the second circle. Press Escape to exit the Circle command. Click the center point of the top circle. Hold down Control, then click the center point of the bottom circle. When the context toolbar appears, select Make Vertical. To view the relation is applied, go to Hide Show Items and turn on View Sketch Relations. The relation will be indicated by a green square icon on the sketch. Next, click the bottom circle, hold down Control, then click the top circle. From the context toolbar, select Make Equal. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click on one of the circles and assign a diameter of 6 mm. Set the vertical distance from the bottom edge of the model to the center of the bottom circle to 6.5 mm. Specify the vertical distance between the center of the bottom circle and the center of the top circle as 10 mm, and assign a horizontal distance between the center of the top circle and the right edge of the model to 9 mm. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. Zoom into the area where the cut preview is displayed. In the Direction 1 tab, open the End Condition drop-down and select Through All, both. Click OK to complete the operation. Adjust the view. Click the cut face from Cut Extrude 5, then select Sketch. Zoom in to the right area. Activate the Circle command. Move the cursor to the bottom hole edge. When the center symbol appears, click to start drawing the circle. Move the cursor outward, then click again to confirm the circle. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the circle. Move the cursor to the right. Click again to place the dimension. Type 10.3 mm as the diameter, then press Enter. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. Adjust the view so the preview is clearly visible. In the From tab, open the Start Condition drop-down and select Offset. Set the offset value to 5.3 mm and click Reverse Direction. In the Direction 1 tab, open the End Condition drop-down and select Through All. Click OK to complete the operation. Rotate the model to view the result. Click the opposite cut face from Cut Extrude 5, then select Sketch. Zoom into the right area. Activate the Circle command. Move the cursor to the bottom hole edge. When the center symbol appears, click to start drawing the circle. Move the cursor outward, then click again to confirm the circle. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the circle, move the cursor to the right. Click again to place the dimension. Type 10.3 mm as the diameter, then press Enter. Go to the Features tab, select Extruded Cut. Adjust the view to see the preview clearly. In the From tab, open the Start Condition drop-down and select Offset. Set the offset value to 5.3 mm, then click Reverse Direction. In the Direction 1 tab, keep Through All as the end condition. Click OK to complete the operation. I will rotate the model to see the result. Then, I go to View Orientation and select Dimetric to view the entire model. The model looks nice. We still need to create one more sketch on the back face of the model. Go to View Orientation and select Back View. Click on the back face of the right side and select Sketch. Zoom into the right area to see clearly. Activate the Circle command. Move the cursor to the whole edge. Click the center point. Move the cursor outward and click again to confirm the new circle. Activate the Smart Dimension command. Click the new circle. Move the cursor to the right and click again to place the dimension. Type 20 mm as the diameter, then press Enter. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. Adjust the view to preview the cut clearly. In the Direction 1 tab, set the end condition to blind and the depth to 1 millimeter. Click OK to complete the operation. Alright, let's finish our model with a few final touches. I'll set the view to isometric view. Then, zoom in to get a clearer view. Click the top edge. The context toolbar will appear. Select Fillet. In the balloon, set the radius to 6 millimeters. Rotate the view to the bottom side. Click the bottom edge to add it to the fillet selection. Click OK to complete the fillet operation. Now, let's switch the view to dimetric view. Click the edge on the side of the body. In the context toolbar, click Fillet. Set the radius to 2.5 millimeters. Click the other edges on the sides to add them to the fillet. Rotate the model to select another edge located on the back face. Click OK to complete the fillet operation. Great job! The left crank arm is now complete. Let's save our work. Click Save. In the File Name field, type Left Crank Arm, then click Save. Alright, let's continue to the next exercise. First, close the current file. Click New, select Part, and hit OK. In the next exercise, we'll be creating a connector head. Let's jump right in.